Financial freedom is the ability to do what I would rather be doing with my time instead of working.
For me, coming here has been about trying to understand what I want and how I want my money to work for me.
This day has been crazy. It's been amazing. My mind's blown. I really like that there's a lot of actionable things that I can literally just go home, type some things on my computer and hopefully change my future.
I've really enjoyed today.
Really fantastic.
Super comprehensive, covers everything you'd need to know, and really quick, easy, actionable steps that I can now take.